Good afternoon guys, welcome back to my channel, and as I promised in the previous video I'll be visiting Kalangut, so here I am. Let's start off this virtual tour with this beautiful sign, I love Goa. So guys, how many of us love Goa and how many of us have had the most of it? I haven't had the most of it yet, and I don't know when I will have the most of it. So guys, this is another beautiful place I wanted to show you. So if you see these two places here, there are restaurants, and then these restaurants turn into a dance floor in the evening. So if you want some Bollywood music with some drinks and food, you should be visiting this place. Now if you have a look, let's go towards the beach area. So if you see here, the restaurants here have so many seats here on the beach. So many people have gathered here, and just look at the view. The restaurant is here and you have the beach right here. Okay, so now I am on the beach area. If you see here, again, no shacks here, very selected shacks are there. If you walk down straight this road on the beach, you'll find Baga, and if you see here, so many people have gathered here. So the sea looks very rough. In case if you're here, please don't venture out in the sea. The ocean is very rough because it's the monsoon season. And as you can see, a lot of people have gathered here. So they have water sports here, and you have to be careful of the dogs as well. There are many dogs, so be aware of that, especially if you have kids. Okay, so just look at the vibe here guys. You can sit here and relax and just watch the ocean. As you just saw, not a lot of things to do on the beach right now because it's off season, but yeah, you can come here and enjoy nature. You can enjoy the beach. This is a very noisy place. There are a lot of people that come here, lots of activities happening here. So if you're someone who wants quieter places, you should go up north towards Morjim and Mandrem and Ashwem. Hopefully we will try to cover those places. What I've done is I am getting out of the beach. This is what the entrance looks like, and as you can see here, people frequently visit this place and leave this place. So there are a lot of tourists that visit this place, and because of the monsoons here, again the roads are quite wet, so please be careful here when you're walking. Be prepared for bumpy roads, and make sure you wear appropriate footwear. So yes, Adrian is waiting there ahead for me. What we will do is we will go down straight on this road and show you what's there outside. So once again I have here Adrian, who's helping us with our virtual tour. Okay, now what we are doing is we are heading out of the beach and showing you this area. So look at this guys, again a very busy area in North Goa, Kalangut. Lots of shops here to buy clothes, footwear, bags, and stuff to use on the beach, floats, multiple options, dream catchers, and some restaurants here as well. So as I mentioned in my previous video, I've eaten the food this side, and to be honest I haven't fancied it that much. So what we did the last time and the previous trips that we made to Goa, we visited some beautiful and really worth the money that you pay, these kind of restaurants where the food is authentic. It's authentic Goan, so you should check those videos out. Okay, now look at, there are different shops here as well, cashew shops and all. And what happened here, some kind of fight that took place here, so maybe some sort of an accident. So as I said guys, be very careful here, otherwise you know you'll end up in a big mess and you don't want to ruin your holidays. So always better to take precaution. This is a huge parking space where you can park your four-wheelers, your huge buses. So there will be people there assisting with the parking. Okay, so now we are heading towards the Kalangut circle. What we are going to do now is go straight towards, in Konkani it's called Tinto, it's a market. You can buy fish there, you can buy your vegetables at a very good rate. So if you take a left from here, you will get Baga. So we are heading straight, this is the circle, and Baga is that way. So we are heading straight here towards the Kalangut fish market, and as you can see here, there are many banks. In case you want to withdraw cash, there are ATMs here, and so there is again lot of action happening here. So many people, you have to be careful, maintain safe distance. Please wear a helmet when you're riding, guys, and don't drink and drive. It can cause you problems and it can cause the other person problems as well. So be aware of that. Again, there are some restaurants here. We had visited one of the restaurants here for South Indian food and it was pathetic. It just had boiled potatoes inside a dosa. So even Adrian is laughing, but don't visit these places. Carvalho's, I've heard, is a good place. And what do we have here? Samsung shops. And there is a Have More parlor here somewhere, if I remember. It's a bit ahead. But let me show you SBI Bank as well, in case if you want to do your banking work here. And here, this side on the right is the Kalangut Fish Market. So it's not very difficult to miss because of the huge fish cutout or statue. I don't know what's the right word. That is the market. Okay, now this is another famous place. It's a beautiful temple. If you want to visit the temple, you can come here. And this is the roundabout. Go left. So we are taking a left from the roundabout. That road, that side heads towards Kandolim. Okay, look at this gorgeous chapel, I guess it is. So you'll find churches and chapels on every corner of Goa. Okay, now this is another road. Behind there was Dr. Joachim, very reliable doctor. So he's a general physician. In case if you have cold or fever, you can visit that doctor. And yes, okay, now this road heads towards Baga. Not a lot of people know this road, but if you keep going straight and there is a left turn, it goes towards Baga. So there are police here. Be careful, guys. There's a junction here. The cars come from this way, that way. You see there are people that have been caught here because they are not wearing a helmet. So make sure you wear a helmet. That road, that side goes towards Porvorim. Okay, what do we have here? We have some more restaurants and bars on the left. Again, there are these guys selling coconuts everywhere, so you can buy coconuts as well. There's a German cafe here. Haven't really tried it, but I see a lot of people there, assuming it might be good. And look at this gorgeous Portuguese house, guys. Day by day, unfortunately, these houses are becoming lesser and lesser because the builders give them big money to build buildings. So unfortunately, I don't know how to put it across, but I'll be really sad to see fewer of these in the future. Okay, so we are heading now towards Baga. Well, guys, we've been enjoying our ride and there's not a lot of crowd this side. So I guess we have reached the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and we will be coming up with some more virtual tours in the future. So until the next video, take care, stay safe and stay positive.